That is spring-loaded action.
Hey, brother. What are you doing? I hope you all already followed me on Twitter because I've already been responding to every one of you, and just know it's amazing. We got some amazing stuff happening today. Just know if you have a problem with anything going on in BrailleSkateboarding.com, you send me that message and I'm gonna respond because I'm like a Braille support. You know like how Apple has Apple support? That's me with my Twitter, so just tweet at me. Ah!
You got a drill up there, Rick?
I already opened it, Gabe. Thank you.
This is really anticlimactic to my intro.
Well, your intro was way better than that.
Well, how's this working?
This is one of those problems that we see.
See that? You use old Ganesha right there. Spill it, you buy it.
Go ahead, catch it.
One little drop on my leg, I'm gonna.
You might waterlog that board.
Whoa, it worked! Wow!
Yeah.
Strawberry acai!
Drink it, sip to celebrate. Cutting edge technology.
Whoa, what the heck? What the Jilliker?
What in?
What's the son of a corn shucker?
Billy Gumball? What is this? Oh!
Oh! Wait.
I said that's such a bad name in my
Out. Look at this board. This right here is the Surf Concrete spring-loaded truck. Think about them springs, brother. Our spring-loaded truck dives and leans like a surfboard for fluid turns and effortless pumping. Flow Surf Skates. Flow Surf Skate. Hashtag Skate Surf. Hashtag Surf Concrete. Questions, concerns, or comments? Mowgli's Twitter.
No.
It says no.
Look at this.
Is everyone just gonna drink
Cheers
clothes?
to that, bruh.
That is spring-loaded action. That is sick.
Wait, can we tighten the spring with this?
No, we have been doing this in this business a long time, and I've never seen spring-loaded trucks
Yeah,
before.
you have. I seen
When?
it.
I seen it in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Our friends who were surfing, and they start with the water, and it's like water-borne. So you're telling me if I tweet Patrick right now and he responds, "Yup, brother, we make those." What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you fact checking?
Where do you see the spring? Where do
Right
you
there.
see the spring? Where?
Right there.
Where's the spring? That's what I'm saying.
Not waterborne, but you spring all the time.
No.
I kind of like it now. Hey, this feels really cool.
Hey, brother, what's going on here? Goodness gracious.
All right, it's good. I tested it out. Oh, now you want to change your mind?
Good vibes.
Good. Why is that? You think you just change your mind in this world and have it be okay?
5 stars.
You know, I went to go see
no.
the Fantastic Beasts movie. One of the good lines said,
I haven't seen it.
well, I'll save you time right now. Basically, it's like, even if you've made so many bad mistakes in the world, it's worth trying to do better.
Always try to do better, folks. You heard it here first. You could hear that quote on Mowgli's Twitter.
All right, Rick.
I like it. Flow. Nice little emblem. This is actually kind of sick. Look at that. The wheel well is not at the edge. It always feels crazy when the truck looks like it's the wrong way, you know?
The Malibu surf one that we had was spring-loaded.
No way.
The one you were trying to 540. We've definitely had some with springs. But yeah, what should we do, Gabe? Game and skate?
Game skate? Yeah. All right, you're with Chris McNugget. Ricky, you're with Uzi.
Sounds great.
Uzi.
But they're both slow and we're both injured.
Yeah. All right, team captain?
You got back for leg flips?
Yep. Paper.
Oh.
Wait, Rick's on my team?
Yeah.
Chris is on my team too?
No, Chris is on JD's team.
All right, let's start slow then.
You got that, we're done. Oh, look at that.
That was actually pretty close.
Nollie flip. Pop that nollie.
I've hit my shins so many times they don't even. It doesn't even really hurt anymore.
JD or Chris?
Here, you set first.
Oh!
All right, let's do the clock. Ooh, wheel behind.
Team Jug and Ruzi. Wow.
Your turn.
Fakey shove.
That's messed up.
I
That's
felt
dirty.
that was chill.
Oh! Again, wheel bite.
Oh!
2 wheel bites.
All right, JD.
Kick
Dang!
Hey, JD, I'm
where I do this kick flip.
Oh!
Try a front three with the pivot.
No way.
That was terrible.
All right, Team Ruzi. Ruzi, you're up. Hey, you guys are already 2 letters down. What's your strategy here?
Back foot late.
Just go for the hardest trick ever?
Shred it, and then we're gonna sand it, brother. Get out of my way. Ollie on this side. I think they switched out our boards.
How you feeling the vibe on this board now?
I knew
Uzi?
it was bad.
What's going on here?
Making sure my shoes look new.
Pop shove.
We need to make, huh?
It's time. It's time.
What should we do, Easy?
You know, I probably would have let you, I would have counted that if you didn't step off. Wow. Uzi, that's all you. You're the back 180 king. Oh man. No, that was their letter. All right, JD, come on.
JD, I believe in you, little bro.
Dude, you're so light, it doesn't even affect the trucks in any way.
It did earlier.
Uzi, you absolutely, without a doubt, have this on lock, brother. I believe in you so much. I've never been more confident in you landing anything in your whole skateboarding career, which translates to your whole entire life. Uzi, what happened? I was confident. I believed in you.
I don't know the physics of this thing. This thing's all over the place.
Tray flip? Yeah. Let's try tray flip.
Whoa!
I had it. Just needed to be more upright.
Man, if we were playing a game of skateboard, they would have hung 10 on you.
Yeah.
What? No one liked that? Y'all didn't like that one? That was good, Ricky. All right, Rick. What's the
What's
trick?
it gonna be, Easy?
I think double flip was good, just
Again?
in my opinion. But you do what you want.
2 sets down and we try it again?
Oh!
My foot was on the ground.
Was it?
Yeah.
Hey, you know what we'll do? We'll ask the referee. We'll ask the referee over here.
It counts because if Aaron were here, he would count it because it's all about having fun.
So you as the referee count that?
Because Aaron would count it.
Okay.
AK would.
Referee made the call.
Who, Mowgli?
Yeah.
That makes sense. Okay.
Let's see.
That's what I'm talking about, Uzi. A comeback is real,
Referee,
fellas.
wait, how does that get a letter?
He didn't land it. Ricky's counted.
Uzi, get your head out of the gutter, bro. Where are you? What are you doing?
Oh, is it my turn?
Tray time.
Ah, it's right there.
Why do you keep exploding?
Don't ever ask me that again.
You got it.
Oh! Oh no! Ref!
It's good enough for a redo.
Okay.
Dude, I'm not having fun.
Why?
I forgot there was an O2.
You're killing them. All right, Uzi. Wait, before you just go pop something, lock in.
I'm going.
Uzi!
As co-partnership of the board, I respect the throwing of the board. Should I keep him alive?
Steal his trick? Would
Hey,
you?
He's a teenager. Nothing matters anymore. He's not a boy. He's a
He's
teenager.
not even 13 yet.
He is. Exactly.
Oh, JD, you better show him how it's done. All right, Uzi,
Breaking out the big gun.
it's time to focus. Hey, leave it in the comments below if you remember ican'tswitchflip.org. Oh!
The ghost.
He fell.
I guess he's gonna kick it as hard.
Heel flip.
That was really good.
Oh my gosh!
This one is coming at the request of Rick.
What are you trying? No! Brother, take some roll up. Take your time.
Bearings like ABEC 3 million.
Hey, the switch flip was a good idea. Go back to the switch flip.
Yeah, except a little tiny detail. I sprained my ankle last week.
It's okay, you're good. You're all right.
No, I got one. I hate these boards.
Ref,
That's a good redo.
How did that happen?
you gotta keep them alive. Say it.
Keep them alive.
Brother.
I think out of all the years that I've been here, I don't think I've had a board where I couldn't do a switch ollie or like an ollie on. Oh, look out, JD! Look out!
All right, Rick, back to it.
Switch heel did not. Switch flip, I guess. Hopefully we get this.
Wow. I have a feeling Ricky's gonna land it first try. Woo!
I get 2 shots or what?
Yeah, you guys both get 2 shots.
Oh, okay.
All right, Uzi, you get 2 more tries. Ricky, you only get 1.
I think I might try to do it how you do like mini boards.
This ref stinks.
You got 2 tries. One more try. Oh!
I had it. I did have it though.
If only it was 1 try sooner.
Well, a few tries.
Go ahead, announce the winner.
Even against the odds of the biased ref, we came out on top.
There was
How does it feel?
There is no biasm here. It was
Biasm. There's lots of
Look.
biasm here.
If I've learned anything in the Braille establishment is if Aaron were to give it to you, then it counts. And when I saw that, it counts. Because like there was another game that I saw that Aaron wasn't there, but it was said if Aaron were to be here, he would count this and allow it. So that's why I took that inspiration and I applied it to this game.
So since he's not here, that didn't count.
It counts because if Aaron were to be here.
Right, if he was here. We're-
I mean, if you were to be on Twitter, I'd be tweeting about these things all the time.
Hey, I don't want to follow unbiased or biased judges on Twitter though. I don't know.
It's called real life, the real world.
That's right. That's right. It's not always fair in real life.
But I will say, Team Rusi had a disadvantage because of this, the defect. The defect.
Oh, it already has an E.
Rusi, so it's Rusi.
I can't.
How'd
play
you
skate.
got a T already?
I can't play skate.
You better land it. You got 2 tries.
All right, well that was the game. Team Rusi took a brutal defeat. Jug, they played pretty mediocre. And Mowgli refed a horrible game as always.
Look, listen. Honestly, this is not even Mowgli speaking. This is Manuel, because that's my real name. Out of character, just breaking character. First time ever breaking character in the Braille saga. You better tweet at me if you have a problem with this reffing. Like, I'm being serious. Tweet me if you have a problem. We will work it out there.
And that's it. Those were the, what are they called again?
Flow, bro.
Flow surf skates.
I made it easy for you. I put the sticker there. Honestly, their logo's a little too much. They need to simplify it.
What do you think? Like maybe like one wave?
I would have to have maybe like 3 hours to work on it to really simplify it. But flow, surf, skates, that takes too much away from like the actual design.
All right, well, those were our spring-loaded trucks, our Flow Surf skateboards. Played a game of skate, tested them out, and they were very interesting. There's some videos right there. Go and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below. We hope this video inspired you to go out and learn how to skate.